Hello again, this is Resourceful Marcus. Just going to show you quickly how I'm going to cover up my central unit now. Central air unit. Here, the other rocket. Got years ago on Amazon. And it's good. Doesn't look that great, but it works good. Very effective. Just cover it up now for the year. So the wind don't get a hold of her. And it's going to be okay for the rest of the season. Very simple, very easy to do. I recommend it for everybody to do this. You should be doing this because if you don't, you're going to run into problems down the line with your unit. This unit here, I think is this unit's got to be about 40 years old at least. Central air part of it. Just remember a unit not on there. Yeah, really good unit. Going around like that. Okay. Sure that's down already. Weather away from it. And that's it. Bring this up. Good. Okay. Very effective, very efficient, easy way to cover your central air unit. This cover didn't even cost that much. It's very cheap. These down so the wind don't blow this away at all. I'll use my cover. I think that when I bought this cover on Amazon, I think it was like $10 or $12 5 years ago, roughly. Anyways, dry out now. There's a crazy ass wind storm. Sorry for the language. Apologize. Anyways, that's a few things I did around the house today. There. Okay. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Hope you liked it. This is Resourceful Marcus signing off. See you later.